So guys, welcome back, beautiful people. In today's video I want to talk about email marketing. Okay, email marketing is something I haven't even made mention of in my YouTube channel. I haven't talked about it. That's because I always love waiting for the right time before I take action on my YouTube channel. And for you watching this video, the tip I want to share today in this video is something you really need to put into consideration, and it's something you need to take action after getting this detailed information. Well, email marketing is something that is a very broad topic. It's a very broad or elaborate topic, and if you want to start making money online with email marketing, you must learn the theory aspect of it and as well the practical aspect of it. So in this video right now, I want to talk about the theory aspect of email marketing, especially for those of us who happens to be beginners. So this is more like a theory explanation of what email marketing actually is, especially for beginners. So in order not to waste our time, let me just quickly give you a snappy definition of what email marketing is. Email marketing is basically selling your product or services with the help of emails. Okay, and as we all know, email marketers actually send out bulk emails to people they don't even know in order to actually get them to buy either a service or take an action or buy a product. And this equally ties down to email spamming. So if you happen to be an email spammer, there are a lot of people. You can check out somebody like John Cristoni. He happens to be a very professional email spammer and he makes decent cash from it. Okay, so you can take advantage of this email marketing stuff and equally make money from it. But there are things you need to put into consideration, and I'll be listing out 5 things you need to put into consideration if you want to become an email marketer. It's very simple, it's very easy, but it's difficult at the same time, and you need to master the act of going through all of the processes before you can become a very good email marketer. Although it's a saturated kind of way of making money at the moment, so many people are already into it, but I'll equally share a strategy that you can actually use to do this email marketing stuff in order to make money as well for yourself. Well, I'll be sharing the theory aspect of it. Listen, be attentive to what I'm saying. I'll be sharing the theory aspect of it. Then before I'll start, dropping more other videos, that will in those other videos I will then start taking you down on a practical tutorial on how this email marketing thing is done. So you need to pay attention. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I start dropping the other videos that are related to email marketing, because I'll be doing it now, I'm kind of going to split it into like 2 or 3 different videos so that you'll get the full juice as regard email marketing, because it's not something I can put together in one video. It takes a lot of processes, it takes a lot of steps, it takes a lot of procedures to actually put stuff together if you want to actually succeed with email marketing. So like I said not quite long, email marketing is basically selling your product or your services via email or with the use of email. And there are ways of doing this thing, and you need to understand one thing. Like I said, I'll be listing out 5 different things or 5 different steps to email marketing. So the step number 1 is actually understanding the collections of email or email scrapping. Okay, you need to understand how to collect these emails. So these people you're actually going to send out email to, like if you want to sell products or services, you actually need to master the act of audience building. These people that are actually going to buy your services or buy your product, they are not ghosts, they are human beings. Okay, so you need to understand how to get in touch with them, how to put them together, how to collect their emails to actually have their email built in one place. That's what we call email list. You need to learn how to collect emails and build it up in a list, and then you start sending out bulk emails to them as to regard your product that you are marketing or the service you are marketing. Okay, so first thing first is email building an email list. Then step number 2 is actually picking a niche. You need to understand how to pick a niche, because if you want to go into email marketing, you cannot be spamming people with, today maybe you send them make money online emails, tomorrow you send them weight loss email, the other day you send them, let's say, affiliate marketing related emails, then the other day you send them yoga related emails. No, you need to niche down. You need to understand how to sell on a specific niche when it comes to email marketing. Okay, like me, I'm into the make money online niche. Everything I do online has to do with making money online. So if you happen to be a health expert, or you don't even need to be an expert on this particular niche, because there are easy way to do it. So this is just the theory aspect of it. I'm trying to break down what email marketing actually is before I'll start showing you the practical processes of doing it. Okay, I'll be dropping videos from now henceforth on the practical step-by-step tutorial guide on how email marketing is actually done, or on how you can do this email marketing thing. So it's very simple. It's a simple process. It's a simple procedure that you can take advantage of and it pays, okay? But you have to be patient, because anything that has to do with making money online actually, will require patience and hard work. It's not easy, I won't lie to you. I don't teach get rich quick scheme. If you want to learn a way of getting quick rich, you can go elsewhere, not on my YouTube channel. I teach practical processes, and that's because I'm a practical learner. I learn based on practical processes. I take my time to do my thing. That's why I haven't even talked about email marketing on my YouTube channel, because I've been making research, trying to put stuff together as regard email marketing. Okay, so now that you have understand, email collection, step number 1 is mastering the act of collecting emails, and there are ways that you can actually collect emails. So I'll be dropping videos separately on email collection. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop the video, you get notified and you watch the step-by-step video on how to collect emails. Then the other one is picking a niche. I will probably be dropping a separate video on how to pick a niche as regard email marketing. Okay, you need to be very good with the niche, and you need to understand how to market in that particular niche. Like me, there is no make money online product that I cannot market. Even health products, I can market them online. I've done it. I've even done videos on several locations as to how you can actually market health related affiliate products, and I believe you watching this video might have equally watched that video. So after picking a niche, you need to pick a niche that you want to market with, or you want to market on. So after picking a niche, mastering the act of picking a niche, then you need to master the act of building a landing page. Okay, because sometimes people will tell you that before you can do email marketing, you need to own a website and all of that. Well, for those of you who do not actually have money to buy maybe domain or hosting to actually host your website, build a website that you have to draw these people to at the end of the day, you can actually take advantage of a landing page, then or an opt-in page. Okay, you need to master the act of building a landing page or an opt-in page. I've done a video before on how to create a landing page on my YouTube channel, and all of the softwares that I actually made use of, I'll equally be dropping their resource link in this video description below. And stand out and be at alert, because I'll equally be dropping a video separately on how to create a landing page, and I equally review some software that you can actually use to create a landing page as regard to email marketing. Okay, so all of those practical video will be coming up. I can't put them all together in one video, because I know that you watching this video will not sit back to watch a straight 1 hour or 2 hours tutorial video. You will get bored, and at the end of the day you click off the video. So I want to put the videos separately on different videos so that you can pick them together. Then at the end of the whole thing, or at the end of the whole process, after I might have created about like 4 or 5 videos talking about email marketing separately, then I'll put all of those videos together in one playlist so that you can easily find it handy to watch, and you can go over it again and again, and even go back to any of those videos whenever you want them. The other step is building a landing page or an opt-in page. Anybody who is into email marketing must have mastered the act of building a landing page or an opt-in page. So it's very simple and it's practical. You need to follow the practical process or the practical step. After you might have mastered the act of building a landing page or an opt-in page, which I'll equally be revealing the software that you can actually take advantage of to do that, then the next step, which happens to be the step 4, is actually master the act of email testing. Okay, the step 1 that I actually talked about was collecting emails. I'll show you the easiest way to collect these emails. Some people even buy email lists. Yeah, some people pay thousands of dollars just to buy email lists, but I'm not telling you to buy email list. I'm teaching you the free way, because I'm actually coming from the beginner process. This is email marketing for beginners, and for those of you that do not even have ideas about email marketing and all of that, you can actually implement the strategy that I'll be revealing from now henceforth as regard email marketing, and I'm assuring you it will work for you. So after I might have watch the video that I'll be publishing on how to collect email or on how to build an email list, then now you already have the email list. You need to test those emails, which happens to be the step 4 that I'll be talking about now. You need to understand how to test these emails. Okay, if you don't know how to test email, you will not know if the email is fake or if the email is active or not. There is equally a software that I'll be revealing in the video as to how you can test emails before you start sending them email swipes. Okay, so you need to understand how to test this email before you can start taking advantage of sending them email or marketing emails. Okay, so that's for that, testing your emails. You need to understand how to test these emails. I equally show you the software that you can actually use. Then another thing is mastering the art of building a solid email swipe, because you need different kinds of email swipe. In that video, I will equally show you another video that I'll create as regard email marketing. I'll show you the software that you can actually use. I'll show you a software where you can tap email swipe creation ideas. So with the software you can create unique catchy email swipe, because if you don't have an email swipe, okay, let me break it down what email swipe actually is. Have you ever opened up your email inbox and then you see a very catchy image, maybe trying to tell you that, hey, are you suffering with obesity? Then this is the best solution for you. Or are you trying to give up on your make money online career? Please don't, because now it's a new era and we have come with a new strategy or new pattern that can actually help you scale through on your email, or that can actually help you scale through in your make money online career and all of that. So I will show you how to build this email swipe. You need to understand the act of building email swipe, and your email swipe must carry a weighted title. There are titles that you can actually use to send out emails. If the person look at the title has no weight, it holds no water, they just click off. They will not even care to check out the emails, okay? And after creating this email swipe, in that email swipe tutorial, I equally reveal how to avoid sending out emails for them to fall into spam folder, because this person you are sending out this email to don't know you. The person don't know you. So if you send an email to this particular person, there is every tendency or every chances of this email landing in their spam folder. And if my email message is not in my primary inbox, I don't even bother checking it. So if you don't understand how to test this email, or on how to use a catchy or a very nice title for your email swipe when you are sending them out, or your email message when you are sending them out to this email list that you have built or that you have collected, there is every chances, in fact there is a high chances of all the emails you're going to send out to land in their spam folder or in their promotion folder, which most people do not actually check. Okay, so now you know that you need to master the act of sending a decent email swipe, or an email swipe with a unique title that holds water, or a unique title that is catchy, or a catchy title. You need to equally master the act of sending out this bulk SMS or this bulk emails. Okay, after you might have known that, oh, I've gotten the email list, okay, and now I've successfully built an email list. Fine, now I already have a niche where I can market on. Fine, because the people that actually take advantage of email marketing happens to be affiliate marketers and CPA marketers. Okay, it is either you are selling a product, or you are selling a service, or you are trying to lure people into taking action. And most times you actually have to do these things with a landing page if you do not have a website, either a landing page or an opt-in page. That's for those of you who do not have a website. And I know you, as a beginner watching this video, you might not have a website, or you might not have an official website where you actually lure this audience that you have collected their email directly into to actually purchase your service. So, type of a landing page, you can easily lure them straight to the product homepage as well, where they can either purchase the product or take action on the product. Okay, so the last but not the least is actually mastering the act of sending out these bulk emails. Okay, if you want to send out bulk emails with just Gmail, it's not possible. There are other softwares that you need to install. There are softwares that have extension tools that you can easily install into your Google Chrome browser, and then you use those extension tools to actually send out bulk emails. And for a beginner, you can be sending out 50 emails on a daily basis to this email list that you have built. Then as you start gaining reputation, as you start growing, you can start sending out thousands of emails. Okay, so you need to master the act of doing this thing, because I hear so many people come to my channel, hey Daniel, how can we go about email marketing? I didn't respond because I'm waiting for the right time. I want to do everything in due process and in due time. I don't want to rush myself, because I don't want a situation whereby at the end of the day, after revealing a strategy for you guys, then you still come back to me telling me that, hey, the strategy didn't work, or we didn't actually get the results that we were expecting with the strategy. So that's why I want to split this email marketing tutorial video. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. If you want to understand how this email marketing of a thing works and how you can go about it, please take note. You have to subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon, because I'll be dropping email marketing related videos from now henceforth. I'll be showing you softwares that you can actually use to break email marketing. I'll be showing you the best strategy that you can actually use to break email marketing, how email marketing is done, and how you can go about it. Okay, so take note, guys. It's still Daniel Anthony. If you don't know me, what I do here on my YouTube channel is that I teach people how to make money online. I share tips and strategy on how you can actually build a full-time online business, do everything you want to do online, because like me, I make at least 90% of my money from the internet. I don't have a 9-to-5 job. I don't do any physical job at the moment. I work basically online. I'm a digital content creator. You can get in touch with me on either Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. You can check out this video description below. I have all of my social media handles in there. And And if you want to get in touch with me as well on WhatsApp, I have my WhatsApp contact line in this video description below as well. You can get in touch with me as fast as possible. I'm always available 24/7. Okay, you can even give me a direct call if you wish. My mobile call line is equally in there. You can get in touch with me via email. I have my email address in this video description below. Okay guys, so stand alert. I'll be dropping more videos as regard email marketing, softwares that you can use, tactics, strategies that you can actually use, how to build the email list, everything regarding email marketing. So this will have to quickly wrap up the video. It's still Daniel Anthony, your boy. I love you all. That's why I share free tips and strategies as to how you can make money. Until we meet again, I just have to say I love you for now. Bye bye and peace.